iOS 18 will be more Android than ever. According to the latest rumor published by the MacRumors site, in iOS 18 you will be able to arrange the icons on your home screen as you want. That is, you will finally be able to leave gaps along your screen, unlike today where Apple forces you to have all these icons perfectly ordered from top to bottom. So with this, finally users could have an arrangement completely to their liking, since sometimes due to the wallpaper you placed, it is more convenient to place the icons in different positions, but currently it was not possible to do something like that. In fact, it is said that it would also be likely that Apple, in the purest style of lock screens, would allow you to quickly change your entire layout. That is, for work, you could have a certain layout of your home screen with a certain background, and when you get home, you could change it completely with a simple action without the need for you to rearrange all the icons yourself. So let me know in the comments what you think of this change Apple is preparing. If you are an iPhone user, tell me if you would take advantage of this type of distributions. And if you are an Android user, tell me how you customize your home screen. If you like all the icons to be perfectly arranged from top to bottom, or if you leave blank screens or absolutely everything.